It's a very diverse industry in Atlantic Canada, from companies that do metalwork to software, logistics, in-service support. It's really got a broad spectrum of skills and opportunities for land companies. I think the importance of the region's aerospace and defense sector is that it offers highly skilled, high-paying jobs and opportunities in the supply chain of really a world market.
The aerospace and defense industry is a key driver on innovation, key driver on technology development, and is increasingly becoming a key driver in exports. What we see happening is that we will cross over technologies and expertise that we've proven in the oil and gas industry and bring this over into aerospace and defense. Mexico was our first export sales. And we've also branched off into Brazil and some product sales in Russia.
You know, Vector Atlantic supports customers worldwide. We have our main facility in Summerside, Prince Edward Island, which is our main overhaul facility. We also have service centers in Western Canada, the United States, Africa, and we've just recently taken over facilities in Europe and as well as Australia.
Yeah, Mulgrave Machine Works is a full-service metal fabrication and machining company in Mulgrave, Nova Scotia. We do all types of metal fabrication. At Mulgrave Machine Works, we don't build ships, but we build the components that you would find on board ships. For us, success in business basically means, what does the customer want? And my advice to other companies would be, you figure that out. You figure out what they want, and you get ready to supply that. And that's going to mean certifications that you're going to need to have, investments in equipment, and all this is time and money. And if you can do that, you'll be qualified to get into the game. That's the ticket for admission.
Les petites entreprises de notre région connaissent très bien la construction navale parce qu'ils ont fait ça pendant 40 ans. Au niveau de l'industrie auxiliaire, qui est très important dans l'industrie navale, il y a par exemple les fournisseurs pour les moteurs, les transmissions, les hélices, ainsi de suite, l'hydraulique, les outils de navigation. C'est toutes des petites entreprises qui existent chez nous et qui pourraient, à un moment donné, offrir leurs services et leurs produits à un sous-traitant. On est très confiant de l'avenir au niveau de l'industrie navale, surtout que les projets fédéraux, le gouvernement d'Ottawa va investir des milliards et des milliards dans les 30 prochaines années. On est convaincu qu'on pourra aller chercher notre petite part.
The aerospace, defense, and security industry, especially over the last 4 or 5 years, has gained significant foothold in terms of the economies. I mean, we can talk about the contribution of GDP and everything else, but the biggest thing I've noticed is that at least 2 of the provincial governments have identified our industry as a pillar of economic development.
And I think as we move forward, especially with the National Shipbuilding Program, that this is only going to further increase and strengthen the capabilities of Atlantic Canadian firms to participate in the aerospace and defense industry.